It's a year on from the last oil change. This time round, I'm going for a liqui moly 2050 because I think the oil I used last time was a little bit too thin. I started to notice it sort of seeping through some of the gaskets, which apparently can be an issue. So I'm going to go for a slightly thicker oil, should quieten down the engine as well. So yeah, let's warm the bike up and get the oil changed. Good to take that out. And now all that's left to do is start the bike, check your levels, and make sure there's no leaks. There we go. May need a little top up once the oil's gone around the engine a few times. But yeah, happy with that. Just keep an eye on it, and that's the service done. So that is it. Another year, another service done. The bike definitely sounds quieter, so I'm happy with that. Going on a little bit of a road trip next week, so we'll see how it performs. But yeah, I'll keep an eye on the levels. Probably needs a little bit of topping up once the oil was circulated around the engine. So yeah, happy with that. Gearbox is done, oil's done, filter's done. It's time to go riding.